The whole new Syma S107H is going to bring you a whole new flying experience. It's ready to fly when you get it. In the following process, you're free to pause the video at any time and learn the Syma S107H accessories assembly with us. Open the remote controller's battery compartment and put the 4 self-purchased batteries into the battery compartment and finish battery installation. Finally, turn on the controller and aircraft. After matching is done, unlock the aircraft and begin to fly. 1 key takeoff. 1 key landing. Fly in the constant altitude. Ascend. Descent. Forward. Backward. Left rolling. Right rolling. High and low speed switch. Short press the right joystick to switch the flight speed of the aircraft. Trimmer key. When the aircraft is off, press the left joystick until it enters into the trimming mode. When aircraft's indicator light flashes, it means the aircraft battery is low and this time must be charged or replaced. When the indicator goes on, it means charging is finished. Syma S107H makes flying so easy.